The industry really is quite interesting to look at. There are some areas where it's really moving towards the cutting edge, this facility being a good example of that, and other areas where there's still a lot of catch up to do with technologies. Other things that have surprised me about the industry are the number of players that are there. It's really quite a vast range of players. It's an exciting place to be. There's lots of challenges, lots of opportunities, and I've thoroughly enjoyed those 12 months.
It's an exciting project here at Ardley. We're looking to process 300,000 tonnes of domestic and commercial waste at the site, primarily from Oxfordshire Council. We'll take this in as a waste and put it through a process where we recover the energy in the form of fuel into creating electricity at the back end to go onto the national grid. The system will process around 40 tonnes per hour over 2 streams. Then at the back end we're looking at 29 megawatts to be generated, with a net of about 26 going onto the grid safely for local consumers, hopefully. There is opportunity here at the site for also CHP to be tagged onto the facility, and we have around 3 to 4 megawatts of that available.
Viridor's really going through a significant transformation just now. It started off some 20 years ago in the perhaps cruelly named hump and dump business in landfill, and we've evolved from there now to effectively we restructured this year into a resources and recycling and an energy business, so 2 distinct streams to the business, and we're starting to realise that now. It's becoming our operational practice. We're bringing on 5 energy recovery facilities this year to add to the portfolio that we currently have, so we're making some big strides towards being that combined energy and resources and recycling business.
Part of the integrated plan for the site and part of the offer to the council to make it appealing for us to work as in partnership is to develop a visitor centre at the facility. We're looking to develop a special theme based around the geology, geography and history of the site as well. We're looking to engage about 600 schools in the Oxfordshire area. We have a specific visitor centre manager who has been appointed for the site and is working closely with our Oxford Waste Partnership Group, and that will obviously roll out a lot of messages for the authorities themselves and for Viridor as a whole.
The focus of the company will be in both energy and resources and recycling. It will be on quality. It will be on providing the highest possible level of services to our customers, our clients, and I think some of the things that we see happening around us, there's a much greater emphasis now from regulation on quality, which we absolutely embrace. We welcome that. So as we move forward over the next 5 years, we're doing some exciting things in energy, cryogenic energy storage, for example, photovoltaics. We're looking at moving our landfill portfolio to being part of that energy portfolio as well. So therefore I think it will be more of what we currently do, and we will strive to keep doing it better and better. The industry as a whole I think will consolidate a little bit, and we'll see that greater focus and quality throughout. Technology is probably one of the most disruptive influences on the sector going forward. It's been conventionally a technology laggard as a sector. I do compare and contrast to my experiences in the water industry over the last 30 odd years. So we're now seeing technology more affordable and having greater capability, and therefore we're implementing it. Good example being our new glass plant in Newhouse. We're investing 25 million there to increase and improve the sorting capability there, and we're producing a recycler, a remelt quality recycler, which is actually of equivalent quality and cheaper than virgin materials. So that type of investment in technology is paying dividends for us as a business, but also in terms of the circular economy. It's a good practical example of how it works, and it's been lauded by the Scottish Whisky Association in particular in helping them improve their businesses. For the sector overall, the health and safety performance is nowhere near good enough, so we need to make significant strides forward. I was very vocal about that in my role as a board member of ESA. I'm very vocal about it in my company. Hopefully it gets through to all of the staff that I'm very committed that people go home not just healthy, but they go home happy. They go home better trained each day and better qualified to do their job the next day. So I think it's a massive challenge for us. On this facility, we've had some tremendous health and safety performance. The jacket I'm wearing celebrates 1 million safe man hours on this site. We've gone well past that now, so it demonstrates that it can be done.